Hey, if you're young, just out of school, or looking for a fresh start but totally broke, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down 5 business ideas you can launch with zero investment. Yes, zero. Let's jump in and kickstart your journey. Number 1, social media management. Small businesses everywhere are desperate for social media help, but most can't afford agencies. If you know Instagram or TikTok better than your parents, offer to run their pages for a small monthly fee. Start by helping a local bakery or your uncle's shop. Build a portfolio with their results, then pitch more clients. All you need is your phone and some hustle. Number 2, tutoring online. Good at math, languages, or even playing guitar? There are platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, or WhatsApp where you can teach from anywhere. Tap into what you know and offer one-on-one sessions to classmates, neighbors, or even people on Facebook groups. Word spreads fast when you're good, and soon you'll be earning for every session you teach. Number 3, freelance writing or design. Got away with words or a knack for Canva designs? Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn let you offer your services for free. Create samples of your work, upload them as your portfolio, and start pitching to small businesses, blogs, or even students who need help with projects. You don't need fancy software, just free online tools and some creativity. Number 4, local errand running. This one's simple, but powerful. Many people need help with grocery shopping, picking up medicines, or delivering packages. Offer your services on local WhatsApp groups or neighborhood apps. You're solving real problems and earning while you help. If you have a bike or can walk, you're good to go. No investment needed. Number 5, digital content creation. Love making videos, writing, or sharing ideas? Start creating content on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. Focus on topics you care about. Comedy, tech, study tips, whatever you know best. At first, you won't earn much, but with consistency, your audience will grow. Brands will reach out, and you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, or selling your own digital products. All you need is a phone and your unique voice. So if you're feeling stuck or jobless, remember, money isn't always the starting point. Your skills, time, and creativity are assets. Pick one idea, take action today, and trust the process. Your future is waiting, and it doesn't cost a thing to start. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more tips, and share this with a friend who needs a push. You've got this.